frequency modulation. Radar.
Sa mga paniki niya.
Sonar.
No, the acronym. It's an acronym.
Radar. Radio.
Radio, detection, and ranging. Laser is also an acronym. Light amplification by stimulated. Light amplification by stimulation of emission and radiation.
Wow.
Ang galing yung nalaman.
Scuba or scuba.
Scuba, like
Pati
scuba diving.
Mga acronym pala yun.
Something underwater.
Laser.
So why walang separation?
Breathing apparatus,
Acronym.
diba?
Self-contained underwater
Breathing
breathing apparatus.
apparatus.
Ang galing. Ang galing nalaman.
Next,
Cuba.
Cuba.
Nyaki.
Ayan, sige.
I wish to wish, I dream to dream, I try to try, and I live to live, and I die to die, and I cry to cry, but I don't know why. I bought a bit of baking powder and baked a batch of biscuits. I brought a big basket of biscuits back to the bakery and baked a basket of baked biscuits. Then I took the big basket of biscuits and the basket of big biscuits and mixed the big biscuits with the basket of biscuits that was next to the big basket and put a bunch of biscuits from the basket into a biscuit mixer, and brought the basket of biscuits and the box of mixed biscuits and the biscuit mixer to the bakery and opened a tin of sardines.
Alam nyo, lahat ng mga kilala ko na nagsasabi, parang since ang first performance niyo, compared sa last Saturday, ang laki na in-improve na talaga nito. So,
Wow. Yay.
sobrang galing na ng performances. Compared sa mga first.
Sir, so I am telling you, parang may ako kaaway.
Ay, hindi.
Okay lang po,
So
sir.
this is a competition, you have to accept that.
Sabi nga.
And also, syempre, you're becoming friends to each other. But when you perform, you're against each other. So it's like that.
So okay
And you
lang po,
don't
sir.
fight naman eh. You don't literally fight against each other. It's a healthy competition. You perform, then you're judged. Diba? By the jurors and the audience listening to you. Diba? Hindi naman kayo mag-boxing sa stage habang pagaling malakas sa mga.
Hindi, sabi kasi
So,
parang may
it's up to
kaaway.
you na lang. At saka minsan kasi, kahit namang feeling mo magaling ka, pag hindi ka naman binoboto, maybe something is missing. Hindi porket marami mo boto sa'yo, marami kang fans, marami kang mag-anak. It's maybe because of also your performance inside the house. I mean, some people are talagang fanatic that they watch 24 hours. So, sino alam nila na deserving, yun yung pinapanalo. But don't think that kung sino man matagal sa inyo is you're
A loser.
No, not naman. Hindi rin ibig sabihin you're less of a person of a singer pag natanggal ka. It's just that this is a competition. You have to be happy for each other. Okay, your songs.
Yes, so. I wish.
That's the worst.
At saka Lizelle, malapit na yung microphone mo last time. Congratulations.
Malapit pa? Yay!
Kasi yung first line nadinig ko na eh.
Yes! Pero ganun po ako lagi, ganyan kalayo. Sorry.
Hindi, yung last time was okay. Nadinig ko talaga yung first line. Kasi yung mga past Saturdays, so yung third line ko na naintindihan yung sinasabi mo. Because of the microphone. And pag minsan na-overwhelm ka when you perform, nawawala yung mic, kumakanta ka ganyan, no?
Ayaw nga. Doon po nangyari yun sa aking pag-iisa. Nawala.
Hindi mo maintindihan.
Kanta ako. Nagsayaw po.
And you have to be relaxed before you perform. Kasi kahit nasabi nyo kinakabahan kayo, kailangan labanan nyo yan. Kasi you've been performing for a month now, di ba? Oo. Dapat labanan nyo yan. Kasi iba sa inyo talagang yung tension, hindi nagiging positive adrenaline, nagiging negative yun. Parang naman mo, pagka umakit sa stage, alam mo agad na, ay,
Galing ako sa ilalim.
why?
Sa ilalim.
Galing ako sa ilalim, sir. Kaya lumakas talaga siya.
Ito.
Pareho tayo.
Naka-enjoy nga yung ganun, di ba?
Opo.
Okay. The idea of song is,
Bohemian Rhapsody.
Mas madudi-dudi.
I heard that si Direct Joey was one who chose for this song. Okay.
Joke lang.
Joke lang.
So you're singing the entire song?
No? Ito lang po. From this.
Okay, sige.
Anytime.
Kantayin ko, sir.
Who's on probation? La Arnie, Apple, and Miguel. Okay. What was your song? Your When Doves Cry. I like it. The piano? I didn't know that magkakaroon ng piano before your song. I like that. Bagay pala sa yung ganong image yun. But you actually know how to play the piano.
Yeah.
Good for you. Okay.
Basahin ko, sir. I see a little silhouette of a man. Scaramouche.
Okay. when you read it, actually, little lang yan. Pero when you sing it, depende sa tono. Anong ano niya.
I see a little silhouette of a man. Scaramouche, Scaramouche. Will you do the fandango? Thunderbolt and lightning, very, very frightening me. Galileo, Galileo, Galileo.
May backup singers ka?
Galileo, Figaro, Magnifico. I'm just a poor girl, nobody loves me. He's just a poor boy from a poor family. Spare him his life from this monstrosity.
Larnie, kung meron kang backup singers, dapat, bukod sa nadidinig ang boses mo, kumpara sa kanila, dahil mas malakas ka, mas naiintindihan ng lyrics mo because they're singing all together.
Yeah.
So, the words has to be understood.
From this monstrosity, easy come, easy go, will you let me go? Bismillah! No! Let him go! Bismillah! Let him go!
What is that? Wait. What is that? Where is that?
Sa last part po.
You will not let him go, let him go. Uy, natatakot ka ng tao.
Bismillah! No! Let him go! Bismillah! Let him go! Bismillah!
You have no formal training with classical music, right?
Ano po? Sa school kasi na-train po ako. Puro classical lagi kinakanta namin.
Sa school na lang. But are you planning, after PDA?
Ano po, nag-voice lesson po ako, pero mga Broadway yung kinakanta ko.
But after PDA, would you like to pursue, no?
Kahit ano po, okay lang.
Hindi, siyempre nasa interest mo yan kung gusto mo, di ba?
Pero mas gusto ko pa. Okay. Well, let me go! Let me go! No, 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 no! Mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia, let me go!
Wait, ano to? Lahat part mo?
Hindi. Ito lang. Mamma mia,
Hindi.
Kung kantahin mo
mamma
yung
mia,
part.
let me go! Beelzebub has a devil put aside
devil.
for... Devil.
The Devil Wears Prada.
Beelzebub.
Say devil. Devil.
Devil.
Prada.
Prada.
No, Prada.
Prada.
The Devil Wears Prada.
The devil wears Prada.
No, Prada.
Prada. Beelzebub has a devil put aside for me. For me.
For me.
Ganun daw.
Tama ko.
Beelzebub has a devil put aside for me.
No.
For me.
You smile. For me.
Beelzebub has a devil put aside for me. For me. For me.
Oh. Yan. Again. Abangan kay Arnie ha. For me.
Me.
Especially you're singing this semi-classical eh. So you said me.
Yung me talaga, sir.